Welcome everybody to the Crypto Mind. I have some breaking cryptocurrency news. The breaking news is going to be dealing with a project that I've been tracking for a long time and even have some cryptocurrency holdings on, and that is Digibyte. Digibyte is a coin that's been around for quite a long time. It is a proof of work mineable coin, and Digibyte has the distinction among few of being a coin that you can mine on multiple different algorithms. They've had a tradition of trying to have algorithms for each different kind of mining out there so that everyone has an equal shot at getting Digibyte. But not only big mining, but FPGAs, and then GPUs like the mining rig, your video card mining rig type mining, and CPU mining. And so they've always tried to have 5 different algorithms to suit the different types of mining. Now, it doesn't always work out as technology exists. Many times big mining tries to take over certain algorithms, but undeterred, Digibyte has been working on shifting over to some other ASIC resistant algorithms over time. And the way you can know that is back in January 4th of this year, there was an article put out by Josiah Spackman saying why I believe ProgPoW is the next step forward for Digibyte. And the discussions were already underway about having some replacement algorithms. ProgPoW is an algorithm that's well suited to GPU graphic card mining. So even as early as even as early as the beginning of this year, the idea of ProgPoW was out, and this article wouldn't have been written if it wasn't being taken seriously. And then in April 23rd, another article came out updating Digibyte with ProgPoW and RandomX. RandomX, if you don't know, is the algorithm that Monero shifted to. Monero strives to be a CPU mineable coin only, and RandomX is a algorithm that suits that very well. So here we go. On April 23rd, we not only have ProgPoW, but we have RandomX. And so I was very excited about that because right now Digibyte is not that mineable by just GPU mining rigs and CPUs. But that was April, and now we're sitting here on at the recording of this of October 19th. And like with a lot of things, you begin to wonder. Now, of course, coding and redoing a network and integrating all of these things together is not something you can do at a snap of one's fingers. And so there's always this delay time. There's always a time where you don't hear anything and you start to wonder. But yesterday, this is the breaking news. Yesterday on the 18th of October, this came through my news feed. RandomX for CPU mining on Digibyte. And Josiah Spackman goes on to say that he has some fantastic news about the future of Digibyte. He's been contacted by someone with an offer to complete the RandomX implementation on Digibyte. So this is for RandomX, not for ProgPoW, but that's still one of the 2 great implementations that could be had. There's already been some work, and they're partway through, but to speed up the process, apparently this dev or devs are offering to quit their day jobs and work full-time on finishing the RandomX for Digibyte to get it over the line. So that would be, like it says here, would be a perfect complement to ProgPoW, and basically their promises from the beginning of the year would be fulfilled. So here's the deal. In order to get this accomplished, they need to raise about 200,000 Digibyte for this. Approximately $4,500 is what they're estimating would be the expenses to get the programmers over the hump so that they can just concentrate on finishing this task. So the Digibyte team is taking donations of Digibyte to help complete this project. I myself we'll be throwing in 1,000 Digibyte to help with the implementation of ProgPoW and RandomX. That's how strongly I feel that this is going to be a big deal for the Digibyte project as a whole worldwide, and RandomX and ProgPoW are going to, I think, make Digibyte explode, and it will allow more people to mine it, more accessibility, more use cases, and I believe that will lead to being on more of the large exchanges and more trading and more security. And I can't help but think that over the course of the long haul, that is going to make the price of Digibyte go up, up, up. So there's the QR code to scan. You could scan it yourself and donate Digibyte to the cause. And also down here is the Digibyte address that you can send it to if you want to cut and paste. So 5,000 Digibyte is already being donated by Josiah Spackman. I'm going to be donating 1,000 Digibyte today, and I hope that you would decide to do the same, because I think this is huge, and it shows how much of an effort's been put in already. These people are serious, and they've been working hard at it, and they're right. They can see the finish line. So let's get to it then. As they say, once we get this programming done, then it'll be up to the miners to decide if they want to implement this or not. If miners start shifting over to the available ProgPoW and RandomX algorithms that mining pools provide, and by a certain block, if there's enough percentage of miners mining that is the miners voting to change the algorithm. This is another reason why mining makes a lot of sense in the universe of cryptocurrency. So with a mineable coin, it's the miners that actually just help vote on what happens, and they vote basically with their feet. They vote by wherever they choose to go to mine, even within a coin. So it's really exciting news, and I look forward to more news coming on this. And that was the CryptoMined breaking Digibyte news flash. I'll be giving you more news flashes of crypto stories of all kinds when they come across my feed, in an attempt to keep you guys educated, aware, and up to the latest. Have a good day.